my name is Amber and welcome to the very first video of my YouTube channel. I'm literally so excited for this journey and this entire process. It's gonna be so fun. I've actually been wanting to do YouTube for such a long time now, and I never got the chance to do it just because I feel I never had the time, or I never, I guess, took the effort to kind of pursue it. But this summer I really wanted things to be different, and I feel pursuing YouTube is going to be such a nice change, and it's also going to be so fun to be able to look back on all of the memories and stuff like that. Basically, I really want my YouTube channel to be sort of a digital diary of how my life is, and this week I'll be doing sort of a week in my life type of vlogs. I'll be taking you guys along what I do every day, I guess, because my summer has been so packed with SAT practice and math tutoring and art. So it's been a crazy jam-packed summer. Hey guys, it's the next day. I just washed my hair and I was thinking we could do a little quick kind of get ready because I have a meeting with my college counselor. And this is our first meeting ever, so I want to make a good impression on her. So today for our makeup look, we're just gonna do a light sort of makeup, just something that's very natural and I guess not too heavy. So I think this is gonna be the finished look, just because I feel if I do anything else, I'm gonna get carried away and end up doing a full beat. So this is what it's gonna be like. Now I'm gonna probably take you guys along with me because I need to do some emails, I need to organize some stuff. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so basically what I kind of needed to work on is my website, because I think when I was in 8th grade and when I was applying to all of these high schools, I decided to create a website kind of about my art and things like that. So it's called Artful Impact, and you guys should definitely check it out. I'll leave the link in the description or something. Okay, so that actually took a lot less time than I expected because it wasn't really working when I went on it yesterday, but now it seems fine. So yes, that's good. My meeting is at 11 and it's currently 10, so I'm gonna take 30 minutes to do some SAT math practice. I'm just gonna try to correct everything that I did wrong, and yeah. Hey guys, I just finished my meeting with my college counselor, and right now I'm actually planning on doing these little I guess like this senior center volunteer kind of thing, because at my school we have this nonprofit called Unwired that I actually became one of the leaders of this year. And over the summer they're having us do like a little activity with the senior center, so I'm kind of just honestly seeing like what's good to do. I'm getting some inspo from Pinterest, but I feel like all of these things are looking kind of complicated and like just sort of hard to do. Guys, I low-key think I'm like on the wrong side of Pinterest, if that's even possible, because literally like none of these ideas are kind of what I'm really going for. The thing is, I want to do something that's like really cute but also not complicated at all, and I just feel like a lot of things are really complicated or like not cute enough. So okay, now that I have my 3 ideas done, thinking maybe I might go to Barnes and Nobles to get some books, because I really haven't been reading like at all over the summer. The only thing I was like sort of reading was my summer reading book, but I really want to start reading more. And also maybe I can get some Chipotle because I'm pretty hungry. So let's go. So it's currently 2 and I finished finding all of my ideas, which I'm going to be doing button bouquets, button picture frames, and I'm sure you guys have all seen like the pipe cleaner flowers. So I'm kind of going to be doing a lavender version and a tulip version. Definitely things that are like very simple and not like too complicated at all, because I don't think that would be a very good idea. So okay, so it's currently 5:30. I'm watching Desi Bling right now, and it's one of those shows where once you watch it, you get like addicted to it, even though I know like the entire thing's probably scripted AF. Like it's still so entertaining. So I was watching that while I was eating my Chipotle. Then I have another class at 6:15, and it's like a writing kind of English class too. And so I'm probably gonna talk about my school summer reading with her. Okay, so I just bought 3 books and they're coming in tomorrow. I'm literally so excited to read them. And now I'm gonna work more on the community service art thing that I was talking about earlier. I'm gonna work on our conversation guides, which are just gonna be like conversation starters just in case things kind of go at a standstill. So yeah. Hey guys, so basically it's Tuesday and it's about 11:30 p.m., which means I did not film for the whole day today. And basically what I was doing for the entire day was reading. I was doing my summer reading and then my college counseling reading. Oh God. So I didn't really have like time, and also I feel like it would have been boring if I just like showed you guys a time lapse of me reading. And then I also took like a 3-hour nap from 2 to 5 because for some reason I just felt like really tired and drained. But tomorrow we have such a long day ahead of us. I have math class from 9:30 to 11:30, and then I have art from like 2 to 5. I might even go longer from like 1:30 to 5. Hey everyone, it's currently 5:30 a.m. and I haven't really been vlogging for the past 2 days. I'm going to the beach to support my dad in this dragon boat competition thing that he's doing for his bank, and this is honestly just like super random, and I don't even know why his bank has something like this, but we're gonna do a quick get ready